one cloudy gray day and stomped his foot. No sun, no play. He pressed his nose against the glass and watched the raindrops fall on grass. I hate the rain, young Leo cried. It ran, a shimmer, a glimmer, a glow. A watery girl said soft and low, "Hello, dear Leo, my name is Rainer. No storm in the world could be any bluff. It's not a curse, it is my love." Leo blinked, his eyes grew wide. He never thought of the rain, he sighed. He grabbed his boots and ran outside and jumped in puddles